Hi everyone, this is Sai Deepthi and I am feeling proud to say that I am student at Pratyusha Engineering College and pursuing my computer science and engineering. And I strongly believe that Pratyusha Engineering College is unique when compared to other colleges because here management is providing the kind of resources which are very useful and totally different from other colleges. Then coming to staffs, in Pratyusha Engineering College, staffs are very friendly and each and every staff will interact with student each and every day, and every staff will have separate kind of attention towards each and every student, which is very useful to students. Then coming to career based, if we want to get a very good job, mainly we are having three major steps. Step 1, we need to get into an interview. If you want to get into an interview, for sure we should have a very good CGPA. Here in Pratyusha Engineering College, our management will concentrate on CGPA parallelly by providing and by following some programs. Here we'll have internal exams. We'll have 3 internal exams. In each internal exam, we will write exam on limited topic. So when we students are writing exams on limited topics, we'll get perfection on that particular topic. So in this way, we people will write 3 internal exams. Once if we complete these exams, after that we'll have UPC classes. This kind of implementation we cannot find in any other colleges. See, here UPC classes are very useful and very important to students. Here staffs will make us to study everything and to recollect all the important topics once again which we have prepared in the internal exams. So UPC classes are very useful and we students will utilize all the UPC classes. So in this way our management is helping. So once if we complete these UPC classes, after that we will have model examinations where we will write exam on whole syllabus. So when we are writing exam on each and every topic again, so we'll get the grip and perfection on each and every topic where we can score a very good CGPA and where we can crack university exams very easily. So that only we Pratyusha engineering students will have a very good CGPA. So step 1 is completed. So once if we are having a very good CGPA, then we can get into an interview very easily. Now step 2, we need to crack the interview. If we want to crack the interview, nowadays companies are looking for multi-talented students. What exactly multi-talented student is? So this word we can find in Pratyusha Engineering College because here our management is following some programs and they're implementing some new schedules. Like here staffs and students will together and they'll form some different kinds of clubs. In each and every club we can find one new technology and he or she can go and learn whatever they want, means in which they are interested. So when these clubs are starting from first year to fourth year, in these 4 years, we students will get a very good grip and a very good command on various kinds of technology. In this way, our Pratyusha Engineering College is helping us to become as real multi-talented students. Clubs like ethical hacking, app development, web development, cyber security, artificial intelligence, and data science, etc. In this way, we are having various kinds of clubs. So, not only theoretical knowledge, here in this club, they will provide practical knowledge also by giving some sort of projects. So when we students are actually working out on project, we people will learn means what exactly happening in that. So in this way our management is helping us to learn practically. So step 2 is completed. So once if we are getting this practical knowledge, we people can easily crack the interviews. For example, as I am CSE student, I should be able to crack any kind of code. So to this problem our management is helping me by providing various kinds of resources. Like daily I will have some code challenges. So when I am cracking the codes throughout these 4 years, so I'll get a kind of perfection on coding. So easily I can crack this interview. Not only this computer science, in each and every department they are having various kinds of programs with respect to their departments. In this way our management is helping us to crack the interview. So step 2 is completed as we are having a very good skills in multi aspects, so we'll get a very good job easily. So step 2 is completed. Now coming to step 3, once if we get a very good job, we have to hold that job till the end and we should reach to heights. So if you want to do this, nowadays companies are looking for qualified engineers only. So what exactly is qualified engineers and from where we can get this word? So if the college is providing quality education, automatically the students can become the qualified engineers. As I said before, the implementations and the schedules which are following by our Pratyusha Engineering College will make students as qualified engineers, because here staffs will not teach something which is present in the textbook and they don't want us all the time to sit in the classroom and to stick on the blackboard. They want us always to explore outside and to know and to learn something new and to think always innovatively. In this way, when staffs are guiding us and when they are motivating us all at the time, we students will become actual qualified engineers. That is what nowadays companies are looking for. So when we are learning in this way, then only we can get into a very good companies and then only we can hold our job till the end. So not only only academics. Here, our Pratyusha Engineering College will concentrate on co-curricular activities also. And I strongly believe that in each and every student we can find one talent. So if we want to get the talent out, we need a correct motivation. So this kind of motivation we can find in our college. Although the student is coming with a small idea, here our staffs are always there to encourage and to develop that idea. So he or she will be able to reach to a very good position. So in this way, here our staffs are very helpful. As we are engineering students now, we'll have various ways in our mind, so we don't know which way is correct to reach our destination. So our staffs are always our back to choose, to made us to choose the right way. In this way, our staffs will help. And then coming to co-curricular activities, here we'll have many hackathons and many cultural programs, sports, etc. In this way, which are very useful and very important to students. In this way, our management is helping us. So I strongly believe that each and every student from Pratyusha Engineering College will be qualified engineer, as our management is providing this kind of a quality education. And at the first day of my college, I was very much nervous, and I was and I don't have a correct goal. But after coming to Pratyusha Engineering College and I completed my BE first year, now I am having a separate goal and I am currently working on it. And my management is helping me by providing various kinds of resources.